Before starting the operations, it is necessary to have a screwdriver long enough to reach the bottom of the bookend. It is advisable to attach the bookcase in accordance with the curved lines of its shape to maintain the tension of the material and to increase its load capacity. Layout examples are shown in the instruction booklet. Make sure that the overall dimensions of the library are compatible with the wall. Before attaching to the wall, it is advisable to mount the tube's bookends, which can be positioned anywhere above or below the shelf. Let's start from the top bookend support of the composition. Place the template on the wall in the position chosen and mark the places for holes to be drilled with a pencil. Drill the holes using a 6mm drill bit. Insert the plugs and screws, keeping them off the wall at a distance of about 1 centimeter. Set the first bookcase against the wall and insert the back part of the support into the screws of the plug. Insert the screws and tighten with a long screwdriver. Mount the first tube on the strip using the special screws. Repeat the operations to mount every bookends. Place the cover in position and insert it into the housing of the support. Repeat the operation for all the bookcases mounted on the wall.